Too much GH. Uyebwewate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Akwabasonko enkoma wa enede wo hweme e wotuma gin fidie yi so Ghana wahala dwumedie na wani eguso a wo hwe na epeskapa enso enimidi na ebusiafo abato yi koye na wieye na Ghana fo ewo wotwen mu ehwe se yisi ye mame gin mensa ebaba bonten na ene yo baba bobo se we ena awene ena we ena edi ncho ne de ekeka ho no na chese akwakwa ye adiam yedum kuma wa mashibi de fie ene the sitting MP and as the sitting ruling government no MPP for na chese akwakwa ye yi a chese obia atwa steady obia e wo twinwa no wo twen se ye maame edine nse no beba na ebinum hopes e wo soro se we dia aba na yafa ebinum nso de se ye ntwen na abato no isimbra no meme pronounce wo meme ye ni declaration and sana se ye wani jibia ya jem na ye enada isi babontin ebebe chire mu ese MPP amanyoko no aye mampenye his excellency na nadodankwa ekufo adom ye wo mo Frank Tuni na edi ye akonwa no eso enunti no wo no na wo se fata se won santina akonwa no so ebie mu no pe na ye NDC enkrofo nyina chese busuafo wo mu nyina akwakoye wo mu esum akoye wo mu awrego na chese wo mu etwa wo mu ni hwe bebi a entwa wo mu tenase a entina wo mu gina engina wo mu da endra chese one more yisi pronunciation na say the declaration no ama one more basesa ewo wo mayi emu a ene searches wo hu ye de one more ye one more ehu na no na ama yenua bema dodo na edi enim no say bukum banku say de mo amunim no de wo ye NDC chita nipa wonfa NDC enyagro mo be kaya branch say we wasifo one more result ba bonten krapo na wo twetwe ye fiashwas nigga say wo free NDC mu and wo dey support akota people for echi all because of free education and one for the man results embra say free education no eboa ne mana na say the man krapo no so mutimi nya ye bi mienu krapo na wo no wo be free ye NDC amanyoko num aba ye MPP amanyoko num e de amana amachese no ekoko ye twema mentwem ye emunu results bi ba ya no mususu say ye fia ema e de a enuntina wo mo esere no say ne manu entimi enya ye de bukumbagu e ka no enunti ene chese ekoko ye social media yi adis no wo mo esere wo mo ehun e wo honum na enada isi e declare yes MPP and afa akunya no na yenua be ma yi hwe ye de NDC for afemu power yi NPP for ensa no na ehu be hia so wo ba na wo ba be kasa na ne nkasa ye mu no se de wa bre NDC for wabre womo wata womachi bibia ni a woye ye dwumaden entokwa se wo mo siripe die ya no wo anye se de be yanka bayi wo mo ebetimi afa de wo so wo ye se soro na wo so wo mo mfa se ye fom se ye mfimfi be bia wo so wo mo mfa bia wo mo afa nanso so ye parliamentary wo ma no wo mo ejina no wo mo na wodi wo mo ho ya papa wodi wo mo ho ya so mo timitina ase ema MPP for ewia abanimu ema recount kokko so be emprennu mu a military men for the womujimu na ave MPP for ababa befa abanu e de di eso enti azel wo mu city so low e de ma MPP the ruling government parliamentaries so wo mu endi wo mu so na wo mu enwia mu no eno ne ade a chese wo se won pe bi krampati de friend this for bia wo free penye wo 2 franc kan de ma wo ebesi wo ma wo mu tina as parliamentaries no wo pe obia ano asem ayeden atiem na ebutuafo sei na nensem no ebi ekoye na mekenkan de amamo sei the members of parliament and the polling station agents sat there and allowed people to intimidate them to recount ballots 4 times where they still won, but after military moved in, the opponents won on the 5th recount. I don't know why they have to protest after being allowed to be treated at the polling station and the collation centers. We ended in summer with D2 Adrian. No, we are no sanso so ABM SM. Even a year say a year or more vigilance no cry enough, especially a banner a year Asante Manta, Asante region there. After so one more work is a year so hard to end victory crown pono or Motina or Emma election, which is in Remu, Echo a year so. No, they were interested, say, will bet a year MP NDC for and some beer being so almost to be so low at the almost not interested in hearing anything from the NDC at this point. We worked hard for this victory. We won the election. We were not vigilant enough in the Ashanti region. They rigged it now. They rigged it and now you want to cry. We ending in summer with DL2 a year a job. Tell one more etna say eka woman to mu. Emma and these MPP for a year one more emu. Now I feel woman baba and tell one more baba besu. Say there won't pay beauty. One more anchor or more for Musulim go on fee. No crampo they were no crampo. And they said you my dear or yeah. So one boy, no timinum, a young one so a year campaign, a demand DC, Montuma, and no crampo social media with timid necessity, a tree NPP nearby yam, say and in a background walk of fair such as then their own chronicle. Nothing in there, moon say MPP NDC for at nothing. I'm MPP for every more woman again, pandiam. Nasa woman be Jan and Susua. Or young MPP NDC be our parliamentary. No obedian and him, no because I am MP NDC for every and I say I'm your mark or swamp. One shall obey in and near to chamber, bring one obey and said on Nijina, your boss ring mu, and obey to food for sending pan because mama woman, I a year or bregu, a Juma. Now, no, any of us are for Mamma Shay. And go for chair, no. Say, and what's what they are. One no pam and I'm said as a way village champion went to when him said as a baby and who bet me de or more than aqua ye bibia bet me de a yakatashi aqua ye and said a boo edia camusimuno a casamu be ye a de aqua nanuna a binumo ecasa way dear a branty in Kawamecasa crampanke ye because we do cover over one a year fias nigga yanu a brand a manor resource a babon tension said you know what you buy ye what Twitter so a yes social media so na se ene one went maybe and no aka say one people be when this if one mu pa dia ni titiu ene one mo mugina for parliamentaries no pa Ashanti region dia ni won ka fra se ye Ghana 47 bukum banku atwa hwe na enye bibia se ye fiashos nigga ne siri ene na twi ni wura wo be huru no no na ebekọ ye eso na ebusuan we ma ye hunu se eni kwanse bibia no ye de akoma de evremu se wo bibia be ye na ado akoma be evremu de wa chese wa hoode no bibia be ye ebeta akire akonkodian na enye nyame adwuma because eno na wo wie krampo na den ya asase su hanum na wanya abasobodi anasese wanya praises bia na yedin ya wosura himemu de de man ya tosu mienu no se wankwa baby kwampo na yedin abekọ na nseni faso wo bekọ akodi edem na asase su hanum na wo pray asase su tumi na ekun editia wo na enum no nyankopon wantimi anya adwuma bia amfa ama no de aka hunu se na wabra bo anyame edo ba asase su se brabebo no ebeye cost 90 well because obebre wo mojani anasa obekonkodin edem asase ho asase su hanum nepa tumi ene empanimie na enum na tese wanya bibia amfa ma wo kra ene ebiem suso no nipadua nyankopon de ne besi asase su hanum na abusuafo wutie bukombanku ne nsemi a wodi se waka ana se we die onfa ne sa se die ekoye no because ade anya odi ade enya wodi akuntimi fa katashi ene me ahoden enkokoje anam for the job of ensemi ho ebre o too much GH comment section follow yen your IG page near Twitter page @too_much_GH_ ena ebiom so Facebook too much GH meeting the Ekres Kapa makramo